Hi friends, na videos marikontamandiకి reach avvadaniki please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today in this video we will learn about Varnamala. How to identify and how to read Varnamala. First one, A say anar, pomegranate. A say anar, pomegranate. A say am. A say am. E say imali. E say imali. Tamarind. E say eek, sugar cane. U say ullu, owl. U say woon, wool. Re say rishi, saint. A say ek, one. Next I say ainak, spectacles. Next O say vocally, grinder. Next Au say aurat, woman. Next say angur, grapes. Next aha say ha ha ha. Next we will see Vyanjan. Ka say kamal. Next one is Kha say kargosh, rabbit. Ga say gamala, flower pot. Next Ga say gar, ini. Cha say chamach, spoon. Cha say chatari, umbrella. Next Ja say jug. Ja say janda, flag. Inya. Ta say tomato. Ta say tanda, cold. Da say damaru, drums. Da say Dakhan, lid. Na. Ta say tarbooj, watermelon. Ta say taila, bag. Da say 10. Da say dan, money. Na say nal, tap. Next one Pa say patta, leaf. Fa say fal, fruits. Ba say bus. Ba say bhavan, building. Ma say machli, fish. Next Ya say egg. Ra say Ravi, sun. La say laddu, sweet. Va say vak, crane. Sha say shank. Sha say षटकोण, hexagon. Sa say samp, snake. Ha say hal, axe. Ksha say kshatri, king. Tra say trishul. Nya say jnani. These are the Varnamala. These are the Hindi letters. First one's for next one Vyanjan. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.